So OnePlus, I think we may have a problem. This is my OnePlus Open. This was purchased last year around November 2023. I got it around early December 2023, so a few weeks after. It's been a great device holistically. I mean, I thoroughly enjoy using it. It's been good. However, last night, the most interesting thing happened. I just came home from work. I was using the device all day. And then I decided to open it. And would you look at this? Right along the hinge. Now, the interesting thing about all this is that the initial damage came up to like right where you see this marker here. Right? So that was last night. This morning, I opened the device and it came right up. Now, what I can say for sure is that it feels as if it feels as though, well, look at that, it even morphed while doing that, so that's fun. Yeah, so it feels as though the hinge itself, it's, you know, interacting with the display. That's where the crack is. It feels like there's an impression there. So that's what I've noticed. I did call OnePlus about it, their customer service. Now, if this works as intended, it should be really good service, except there's a little caveat. From a warranty perspective, I'm still under warranty. They said if it's physical damage, I'd have to pay or not pay and get the device back as is, or if it's a manufacturer defect, then they would do it for free. This is a pristine device, always had cases on it. I can, you know, it's been good. It's been good. Well taken care of. Holistically, yeah, it's just been a good device. But let's see how all this turns out when I send the device goes. It should take around between 8 to 10 days to send and receive the whole 9 yards. So I'm just curious to see how they handle this. With the screen off, you can probably see it. Yeah, it's cracked on the inside. Like outside feels fine. There's no physical damage on the outside, but on the inside, oh boy, I'm not sure. So let's see how all this turns out. I'm going to be shipping it off today via FedEx, and yeah, we'll take it from there. So OnePlus, let's see how you do. All right, so package has been dropped off.
Your tracking number's on
Ah,
there, too.
perfect. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Of course. Great.
All right, you too. Have a good one. This thing. Okay, OnePlus, so now it's your time to shine. I've dropped off my package, my phone, at FedEx. I have the tracking number. Y'all said 8 to 10 business days. Today is, gosh, what's today? The 17th? The 18th? Let's find out. Today is the, geez, doesn't this thing tell the date? The 18th of May. So by my calculations, 10 days from now should be the 31st of May. You have until then. Let's see what y'all do.